Hey guys, this is Ashutosh from GNU Linux Users Group and IT Durgapur. This video is an introduction to competitive programming. So let's start. What is competitive programming? It is basically writing programs to solve problems in a contest environment. One has a limited time to solve the problems, ranging from a few hours to a few days, and the solution should be efficient in terms of execution time, memory used, or in some cases, even the length of code. Now let's see what's new in this. The code will be executed on an online judge, which means you should write code which conforms to the specific format of input and gives the output in the required format. With tough constraints on execution time, it is crucial that you use faster algorithms to avoid TLEs on your test cases. This requires a good knowledge of time complexities. Let's take an example. Say you want to write a function to calculate x to the power 4. There are two solutions shown here. The first one required 3 multiplication instructions, whereas the second one required 2 multiplication instructions. In this example, one instruction did not seem to make a difference. But if you had to solve the problem for a few million test cases, then you saved yourself from a few million instructions and thereby reduced your execution time correspondingly. Using such clever techniques is just a small part of competitive programming. Thus, devising new and better algorithms is crucial for competitive programming. Getting started with competitive programming. Solving the problems in a coding contest is not easy. Many online judges have problems of similar difficulty and similar environment. A list of such judges are Spodge. It's basically a problem archive. You should start with problems having maximum submissions, solve first few problems, maybe 20, build some confidence, then start solving problems topic wise. Remember, you should never get stuck for too long in the initial period. Google out your doubts and try to sort them out. Before getting into live contests like Codeforces or CodeChef, make sure that you have solved about 50-70 problems on Spodge. The second one is CodeChef. You should do all the three contests every month. Even if you are unable to solve a problem, do always look at the editorials and then code it. And even if you are unable to do it, do look at the codes of some good coders, see how they have implemented. The same point applies to the rest of the websites. Now let us look at some tips to perform better. You should have a thorough grasp on the basic concepts first. Develop a good understanding of data structures like lists, trees, and graphs. Try to learn as many new and efficient algorithms and implement them when required. Let us now look at some prestigious contests. ACM ICPC, Google Code Jam, Top Coder Open, Facebook Hacker Cup. Students who perform well in these contests are some of the finest brains in the world and instantly recognized by top institutions and companies. These are some of the best sources to learn more about competitive programming. I suggest you to screenshot it for future reference. Geeks for Geeks is one of the best computer science portal. Also, CodeMonk on HackerEarth is a curated list of topics to help you improve your programming skills to the next level. The third link contains all the details about ACM ICPC, which is an annual competitive programming competition among the universities of the world. So what's next? Sign up on any of the plethora of online judges and start solving their practice problems. Also participate in other online contests arranged by sites like CodeChef and Spodge. Many companies use these contests to hire students for jobs and internships as well. And yes, welcome to the world of competitive programming. Thanks for watching.